Welcome back. This is lesson 2, your first tweet. This is the exciting part. It feels like it should be something amazing or, epic. Something an astronaut would say. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. But really, what you need to have on your first tweet is something that links to your website. So you're going to also pin this tweet. This is a fast lesson, but I like to break these up. That way your account looks great. People know you're not the Nigerian prince and you're not a spammer. So let's go. Now, I have all the copy I ever need on my website. You have to follow up about my backgrounds, how to bill your clients, prevention, sending an invoice, so let's see. Make sure your invoice is clear. You should have your contact information. Sounds crazy. How about this? Are you making the mistake of doing work without an invoice or contract? Question mark. Okay, now I'm going to have the link to my website. Boom. And tweet. So now I have a real tweet. It has my logo, and I'm going to pin it to my profile so that whenever people come here, they will be able to see this tweet and know I'm a legitimate person. I'm doing this before I follow anybody. It's super easy to get excited and want to follow people, but this is the second step of having a very good looking Twitter account. And remember, one of the biggest things that impacts a relationship in business is trust. Good design is good trust, and you want to have those words there. So now you have your homework. Do that and then watch the next video. Thanks.